Okay, here is Mary and Eric, my sailing buddies. Wave, Eric.
Are we getting kind of close to that island?
No, not you, Mary. They're sailing with me today, and I haven't fallen overboard yet. You guys live aboard, don't you?
No, we don't. We just stay aboard our boat once in a while.
Was that a wink I saw?
I don't know. I think I've got a.
There you go. We've been sailing out here for an hour. They've just finished the tack, and I'm going to go forward and they're going to tack again just for the camera, just to show you they know how to sail. Let's go forward here. Okay, you guys, wave at me. Ready about? Hard to lead. Not yet, not yet. There we go. Very good. Now we head back towards the bridge. See? Good work. Look at no hands, Ma. Now let me see, what can we do here? I'm still recording.
This is not good.
Let's see if I can adjust this camera and put it down.
Isn't it time for a drink yet?
Can't get this open wide enough to get this camera on here.
I love it that we've got something to capture all the bad habits.
Okay, this is the crew of the SS Minnow.
Okay, so we got 2 more hours on this cruise. Huh?
Wave at the camera. Mary, I don't think they can see you. Right? A little too far over, I think.
More on this side?
No, that's okay. I was just joking. If she waved over here, I don't think you can see the wave. Yeah, it don't get no better than this. I say that out loud. Okay. Okay, guys. Say something to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Hey, camera.